Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need sushi-grade fish, crisp nori sheets, and your favorite vegetables like cucumber or avocado. Next, prepare your sushi rice. Rinse 2 cups of short-grain rice until the water runs clear, then cook it according to package directions. Finally, season the warm rice with a mixture of 1/4 cup rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt, mixing gently. Now let's assemble your rolls. Place a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Dampen your hands slightly to prevent sticking, then spread about 3/4 cup of seasoned sushi rice evenly over the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top. Arrange your desired fillings, such as thinly sliced fish and vegetables, in a neat line across the bottom third of the rice. This careful placement ensures a well-balanced roll. With your fillings in place, it's time to roll. Using the bamboo mat, lift the edge closest to you and roll it tightly over the fillings, pressing down gently to create a compact cylinder. Continue rolling, applying even pressure, until the entire nori sheet is sealed. Once rolled, moisten a very sharp knife with water to prevent sticking. Slice the roll into 6 or 8 uniform pieces, cleaning the blade between each cut for a clean finish. Finally, it's time to serve your beautiful, homemade sushi. Arrange the freshly cut pieces artfully on a serving platter. Offer traditional accompaniments such as a small dish of soy sauce, a dollop of pungent wasabi, and a few slices of pickled ginger. These additions enhance the flavors and cleanse the palate. Enjoy your delicious creation immediately, savoring the fresh ingredients and your culinary accomplishment. It's a truly rewarding experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.